Here we have one of the best skincare beauty products from Japan. It is called Amino Moist Charge Milk from Minon, which is a very popular Japanese brand on the market. This moisturizing milk is a #1 product since 2016. Since then it is also very famous among tourists and a must-have beauty product and souvenir. The price is around 2,000 yen. Let's open the package. It contains 9 amino acids for sensitive and dry skin. The special thing about this face milk is that it is free of alcohol, mineral oil and parabens. The serum is rich and smooth. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos.